You spent 12 to 16 years in school. You learned algebra, history, chemistry, and literature. But nobody, not one single teacher, ever sat you down and taught you how money actually works. No lessons on budgeting, no classes on investing, no explanation of taxes, credit scores, or compound interest. Nothing. And that gap in your education is costing you every single day. In this video, I'm going to fill that gap. Stay till the end because point number 7 is the one that will shock you the most. Hey, welcome back to Mind and Money, where we teach you everything school forgot to. If you're new here, hit subscribe because every week we drop content that actually matters for your real life. Let's get into it. Number 1, how money is actually created. Most people think money is printed by the government and that's it. But that's not the full picture. The truth is, most money today is created by banks when they give out loans. When a bank lends someone money, it doesn't take it from someone else's account. It literally creates new money out of thin air. This is called fractional reserve banking. Understanding this changes how you see the entire financial system. Money isn't as fixed or limited as you think. It's a system, and systems can be understood and used to your advantage. Number 2, compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Here's why. If you save just $10 a month starting at age 16 and it grows at 8% interest per year, by the time you're 60, you'll have over $40,000 from just $10 a month. But if you wait until you're 30 to start, that same $10 a month grows to only $15,000. You lose $25,000 just by waiting 14 years. Compound interest rewards those who start early and punishes those who wait. School never taught you this, but now you know. Number 3, how taxes work. You're going to spend your entire life paying taxes. Income tax, sales tax, property tax. Yet school never once explained what taxes are, where they go, or how to legally reduce them. Here's the basic truth. The more you earn, the more you get taxed. But wealthy people use legal strategies called tax deductions and tax credits to reduce how much they owe. Simply knowing that these strategies exist puts you miles ahead of most people. When you start earning money, learn about taxes. Even basic knowledge can save you hundreds of dollars every single year. Number 4, credit scores. Your credit score is a number that follows you your entire adult life. It affects whether you can rent an apartment, buy a car, get a loan, or even get certain jobs. A good credit score saves you thousands of dollars in lower interest rates. A bad credit score costs you thousands in higher rates and rejected applications. School never taught you this exists. Here's how to build a good one. Pay your bills on time. Don't borrow more than you can repay and start building credit history as early as possible. Your credit score is your financial reputation. Protect it. Number 5, inflation. Inflation means prices go up every year. Something that costs $100 today will cost $110 next year. That doesn't sound like a big deal until you realize your savings are affected too. If your money is just sitting in a regular bank account earning 1% interest, but inflation is 6%, you are actually getting poorer every single year even though your balance looks the same. This is why investing matters. Your money needs to grow faster than inflation or it quietly loses value over time. School never taught you this, but now you understand why saving alone is not enough. Number 6, assets versus liabilities. This is one of the most important money concepts you will ever learn. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. A rental property that earns rent is an asset. A car that costs you insurance and fuel every month is a liability. Rich people spend their lives collecting assets. Poor people spend their lives collecting liabilities, often without even knowing it. Your goal as a student right now is simple. Learn to tell the difference between the two. Before every purchase, ask yourself, is this going to make me money or cost me money? That one question will change your financial life. Number 7, and this is the one that will shock you. Your time is worth money right now, today. Every hour you spend doing nothing is an hour you could have spent learning a skill, building something, or earning money. Successful people understand that time and money are directly connected. Think about it this way. If you spend just 1 hour a day for 1 year learning a valuable skill like coding, design, writing, or finance, that's 365 hours of expertise. That expertise turns into income. School taught you to trade time for grades. The real world rewards you for trading time for skills and value. Start treating your time like money, because it is. So there you have it. 7 things school never taught you about money. From how money is created to why your time is your greatest asset. Now here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of these 7 things and spend 30 minutes this week learning more about it. Just one. That's all it takes to start. If this video opened your eyes, drop a comment below telling me which point hit you the hardest. I read every single one. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more content that school forgot to teach you. I'll see you in the next one.